Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is International Islamic University, Islamabad School, Sahiwal campus, online lectures. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Quranic, grade 6, lesson 11b, from the textbook of Quranic, imperfect tense. So dear students, first of all we will discuss about imperfect tense. We have discussed in detail in our previous lecture, so now we'll discuss some introduction of this imperfect tense. So fail mazare or the imperfect tense is basically means the work will start or is going and therefore the level of hand is high. फेल मुजारे से मुराद ये ऐसा काम होता है कि जिस ऐसा फेल है जिसमें हम ये बताते हैं कि काम जो है जो होने वाला है या काम हो रहा है, इसलिए जो हाथ का जो लेवल है सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशंस की अगर हम बात करें तो जो हाथ का लेवल होता है वो इस वजह से फ़ेल माजी की निस्बत हाई होता है। और फ़ेल मज़ारे को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हम लाउडर पिच यूज़ करते हैं, लाउड पिच पे हम इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू द लो पिच फॉर द फ़ेल माजी। सो द वर्ड इन द फ़ेल मज़ारे और इम्परफेक्ट टेंस आर simply written. These are upright because the work is still going on or will start soon, क्योंकि काम या तो हो रहा होता है या फिर होने वाला होता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर वर्ड्स को है जो है वो upright राइट करते हैं, यानी कि उनको इटैलिसाइज नहीं करते. So these are some basic points that we have discussed in our previous lecture. So today we will read and learn about some examples of imperfect tense regarding the surah. So the first word is yadkhulu, he enters or he will enter. So this tense represent that the work will be done or the work is going on. So he enters or he will enter. Yadkhuluna, they enter और they will enter. अब यहाँ पर फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन के लिहाज से चीज़ों को जो है वो क्लासीफाई किया गया है. अब फर्स्ट पे हमारे पास जो ही एंड दे है, दीज आर बेसिकली बिलोंग टू द थर्ड पर्सन, एंड नेक्स्ट वन यू बिलोंग्स टू द सेकेंड पर्सन एंड आई एंड वी बिलोंग टू द फर्स्ट पर्सन. सो नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट द सेकेंड पर्सन. तदखुलू, यू एंटर or you will enter. Tadkhulu means enter. Tadkhuluna, you all enter or you will enter. Adkhulu, enter, will enter, I enter और I will enter. फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए हम आ का जो वर्ड है वो इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जो हमारे पास वर्ड दिया जाता है उससे पहले हम आ जो है उसको ऐड करते हैं. सो अदखुलू मीन्स आई एंटर और आई विल एंटर. नदखुलू, वी एंटर और वी विल एंटर. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली फर्स्ट पर्सन. तदखुलू, शी एंटर्स और शी विल एंटर. याबुदू, याबुदू मीन्स वर्शिप, he worships or he will worship. Ya'buduna, ya'buduna, they worship or they will worship. Again, this is third person. Ta'budu, you worship or you will worship. Ta'buduna, you all worship or you will worship. This is second person. A'budu, I worship or I will worship. Na'budu, we worship or we will worship. Ta'budu, she worships or she will worships. This is first person. So in all these examples, the basic concept is that we have to use first, second and third person symbolic representations, and we have to use the words in the same manner as we have discussed in the previous lecture. For the first, second and third person, certain conditions are given which that we have to use for writing these basic points. The second one is, third word is yakfuru, disbelieves. yakfuru का मतलब होता है disbelieves. He disbelieves or will disbelieves. yakfuruna, they disbelieves or they will disbelieve. Third person. takfuru, you disbelieve or you will disbelieve. takfuruna, you all disbelieves or you will disbelieve. This is second person. Akfur, nakfuru, this is first person. So the fourth word is yazrib. Yazrib means hit, to hit someone. Yazribu, he hits, will hit. He hits or he will hit. Yazribuna, they hit or they will hit. Tazribu, you hit or you will hit. So the first two points are basically according to the third person. Tazribu, tazribuna are representing second person. Azribu, nazribu represents the first person. So for the second person we use you will hit or you all will hit. For the first person we will use I hit or I will hit, we hit or we will hit. Tazribu, she hits or she will hit. The fifth word is yazlimu. Yazlimu, wrong, zulm. He wrongs और he will wrongs, वो गलत करता है या वो जुल्म करता है या वो जुल्म करेगा. यज़लिमूना, they wrong और they will wrong. तज़लिमू and तज़लिमूना, these are for second person. You will wrong or you all will wrong. अज़लिमू, नज़लिमू, I wrong or I will wrong. We wrong or we will wrong. Tazlimu, she does wrong or she will do wrong. So these are basically first person. Yasbiru, patience रखना, सब्र करना, patient. He is patient or he will be patient, यानी वो सब्र करता है या वो सब्र करेगा. Yasbiruna, they are patient, they will be patient. So this is basically the third person. Tasbiru, you are patient or you will be patient. Tasbiruna, you all are patient or you will be patient. Asbiru, I am patient or I will be patient. Nasbiru, we are patient or we will be patient. So this is first person. The last word is yaghfiru, forgives. He forgives, they forgives, you, I or we. So for all these third, second and first person we will discuss it one by one. Yaghfiru, yaghfiruna, he forgives, he will forgive, they forgive or they will forgive. Third person. Taghfiru, you forgive or you will forgive. Taghfiruna, you all forgive or you will forgive. Aghfiru, I forgive or I will forgive. Naghfiru, we forgive or we will forgive. So this is for first person. For she we use taghfiru, she forgives, will forgive. So this is basically for she. For she we will use she forgives or she will forgive. Okay students, now you have some homework. Open up your diary. Write date, subject and then write down your diary. You have some homework. Learn examples of imperfect tense. So you have to learn all these examples. So this is end of the lesson. If you find any difficulty regarding this lesson, you can ask us on WhatsApp. For that you have to mention your name, your grade, subject and lecture number so that you can get a positive response. This is end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.